Welcome to our video on pond de-icers, where we're diving into why these devices are essential for your pond's health during the colder months. What is a pond de-icer? Simply put, a pond de-icer is designed to keep a small section of your pond ice free in winter. Instead of letting your pond turn into a solid block of ice, it creates an opening in the surface. This allows harmful gases, like carbon dioxide, to escape while bringing oxygen into the water, which is vital for keeping fish and other aquatic life alive through the winter. How does a pond de-icer work? Pond de-icers work by circulating water to prevent ice buildup in areas of the pond. Many models come with built-in thermostats that activate the de-icer only when temperatures drop to freezing, helping save energy. Types of pond de-icers. There are a few types of pond de-icers, and choosing the right one depends on the size and depth of your pond. Floating de-icers. These float on the surface and pull warmer water up, keeping a small part of the surface ice free. Submersible de-icers. These stay below the water surface, perfect for deeper ponds. They push warmer water from the bottom upwards, helping maintain a larger ice-free area. Dock mount de-icers. Great for ponds or lakes with docks. These units circulate water around structures like boats or piers to prevent ice damage. Why you should use a de-icer? By keeping part of your pond ice free. De-icers prevent harmful gas buildup under the ice, ensuring your fish have a safe environment throughout the winter. Not only do they protect your pond's ecosystem, but they can also safeguard docks, boats, and other structures from ice damage. Easy to install and maintain. Most de-icers are simple to install and require little maintenance. Just place them in your pond before the cold sets in, and check them periodically to ensure they're working effectively. In short, if you have a pond and want to protect it and the aquatic life within, a pond de-icer is a must-have during the winter months. Stay tuned for more tips on keeping your pond healthy all year round. Visit us today at www.yardfocus.com or call 800-242-6952.